To our dear members, on behalf of the PRA Board and officers, we pray that you, your family, and your staff are keeping safe and well in this time. It has been over a month since the enhanced community quarantine was implemented. And while we all look forward to the lifting of the quarantine in the next few weeks, what we know for sure is that things will never be the same again, both on business and personal levels. As majority of the retail businesses in the country had to close due to the ECQ, and while it was a sudden move we had to take, we all agree that we need to prioritize the safety of our people, our customers, and the community where we operate. As your association, we at the PRA are continuously working to serve you as the pulse and voice of the retail industry, even while we are confined and challenged by this current scenario. For one, in response to the new normal, we are offering our educational sessions, the PRA Virtual Learning Series. This is for free to help members access important ideas and inspirations to help you tide through these worrying times. Apart from this virtual learning platform, we continue to gather official government issuances and useful and relevant information relating to COVID-19, which are accessible in our websites. We had also sent the link to your emails early on before the ECQ to provide you relevant data and information you may need. We have also launched a campaign on our social media accounts and on our website to thank our retail frontliners and service personnel for their relentless service and duty during these trying times. Like our medical personnel, they too are heroes in their own right, ensuring that our essential needs are met, while at the same time also facing the same challenge of potential exposure to infection. Please join us in this campaign by sharing our posts in your respective social media accounts. As the pulse and voice of the Philippine retail, we have also taken up the cudgels to bring your concerns and issues to government and concerned private businesses like shopping mall centers to seek possible rental and CUSA reprieve in order to help you ease the burden while our businesses are closed. While we cannot guarantee that our requests and recommendations will be heeded, may our strength in numbers give a stronger voice and impetus to our appeals. Our PRA members Viber group is also an active platform where you can connect with fellow PRA members, exchange ideas, and get support, especially during these trying times. For those of you who have not joined the group yet, we encourage you to do so you can stay updated within the community. Truthfully, the COVID-19 pandemic and its impact on our country and our businesses pose a top challenge for your association to remain relevant to the needs and interests of our members. But sincerely as well, we can only do so much. Hence, we will do our best to be useful and relevant to you on areas where our vast network, access to information, and strength as a group will have the most impact. I know many of you, even while you face your own challenges, continue to extend help to our frontliners and to your respective employees and communities. Let's continue to lift up each other and inspire the rest in the best way we can. Furthermore, may the lessons and values we have learned during this challenge bring out the best in us, both business-wise and personally. Know that we, your association, are here for you and one with you in these tough times. We heal as one.